Hi guys, with another video. This is the smoke alarm. So let's open and see how they made it. See, I just opened it already, and here you are. This is the cover. This is the older version. So this is the, I think, light. Mother like board. I think, what is this? I don't know, but let's pull it. Okay, this is cover. And I don't know. I wish I can explain what is this, but I'm checking the inside. What is the inside? So let's. Nothing comes out. This came out from this smoke tester. This is the battery for this. Okay, that's it. I think there is nothing else. Let's break a little bit. Here, pull it. Right there. What is this? Oh, this is, I think, makes beep. Right there. Wait. Okay, nothing else. That's it. Oh, light is here. I show you that light this, but no, this is, I don't know. What is this? I don't know, but yeah, now we know that a couple of things. Cover, battery, cable, and this is the make sound, I think. That's it, so simple, but they made it. This is the idea. They created. That's wonderful. Alright guys, and this is it. You know what is inside now. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye.